Yeah, seems like this is it. Hey everyone, bless up, Wagwan. Bless up from Jamaica. Sorry about the noise in the background. I'm gonna let them start. Give me a sec. So hey guys, I'm back. Mandatory they have to do it, so I'll be breaking in and out. So I'll just be rolling up in talking in chat. Bless up to everybody that's here. So I'm gonna try to see if I can drown it out with the music. Got some herb rolling up, and yeah, don't think anyone has seen like when it's like in the daytime. So I wanted you guys to like my back, basically my view. So yeah, is back there. Yeah, back there is basically all greenish. Welcome to Jamaica, the land of food and water. Right? Yeah. Awesome. Okay, so see that we're good. We're adding people to the live stream. Yeah. So guys, I'm sending the link in the Hangout. Wow. Uh, yeah, probably. So guys, I've sent the link in the Google Hangout. So Ben, look out for it. Hollywood, look out for it. And awesome. So those were sent.
What's up, Randy?
Well, it's getting quiet.
Listen to my question.
That's a good thing. Awesome. Well done, Hollywood.
How you doing, buddy?
I'm good. As I said, doing my 100 sub live stream. Decided to do a live stream live. I wanted to do a video.
Right.
I said better interact with the people that got me to the 100.
Right. Congratulations on that 100 subs, man.
Thank you. It means a lot. Thank you guys for showing me so much love.
I appreciate you having me on the panel, man. I think Ben and Sungrown and a couple other people wanted to come up on your panel too. So
Yeah, sent the link. Could you send them the link for me? My thing moves slow, like hella
yeah,
slow. I think I need a.
I'll tell you what. If you don't mind, man, I'll post a link in the chat. Is that okay?
Go right ahead. Go right ahead. That's what I've
All
been
right,
trying to
I'll
do.
be right back, Randy. I'll be right back. Okay.
Hold on, people. Hold on. Going over to chat. That chalice is something special. Can be very dangerous. Hello, nice. Lol. Wow. Uh, Naval Blue, yes. The chalice is indeed very dangerous. Knock out a lot of people down here. Cause you get that raw, it gets like that raw THC just hitting you. Yeah, go ensure that the person gets it in the giveaway. Gonna be working that out with Mr. Sparks. Cheers, Tim. Cheers. I'm rolling up, like be seeding around, play some music. Hope y'all don't. Hope YouTube doesn't mind. So that seems to be it.
There you go. I'll post it in the chat for you, Randy.
Bless up from Jamaica.
Man, them songs you were showing me last night are good, bro.
Oh, hello, you're back. You were saying something, bro?
I said them songs you showed me last night was the shit, bro.
Trust me, the culture down here is so diverse. Yeah, I don't even let you listen to like, not even. That's basically the tip of the iceberg, I should say. That's
Right.
just one artist. We have many others. Vibes Cartel, Conscience. They have so like such unique flows that gel so well with the overall culture. But the
Right.
mecca of dancehall is Vibes Cartel. You can't get bigger than that. Trust me. So I learned some. This is Protege Rasta Love. I hope the copyright not kill me, but this is Rasta Love by Protege. Just rolling up a very nice joint.
That's what's up. Shit, with our community, our cannabis love community, and all that stuff, man, you're gonna have 200-300 subs before you know it, Randy.
I love the support and I don't mind giving it. As I said, one people, one plant, one love. Cannabis
Yeah, you show
community.
me a lot of love, so
See the background of where I live. Oh, Ben got the link.
What'd you say, Randy? You cutting out, buddy?
I'm saying hope Ben got the link. And I was asking,
Yeah,
did you get to see the background of where I live? Like
yeah.
the green edge. Trust me, there are nights where there's this little hill up that side. I just walk, go up there. It's last night was a full moon, so it was illuminated by the moon. So I would go up there, have my spliff, look out, and just listen to the tree frogs, the birds, and there's a white owl that passes over from time to time. So
That's nice, man. That sounds nice, bro. What's up, Sparks?
One Randy.
I'll go
I'm
on
just,
Spark. Yeah, that
chilling,
one.
just trying to get some folks over here and holler at you, bro. I posted this live in like every hangout that I had open, so hopefully some folks will come over. And then I told folks about your live, leaving my live when I got done a second ago. So hopefully we'll get some
Ben,
folks.
what's
Louis,
up?
Hey Ben.
Louis,
What up,
Did
How's
son?
that
that,
link
brother?
in the chat work?
yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
What you rolling up, Randy?
This is the infamous Jamaican hand rolling technique. Because there's so much seed, you have to basically rub out with the hand, don't kill the seeds, and we don't like that. So rub out with the hand first and carefully pick seeds and stem out. And if you got some good kush, it takes a Jamaican under 2 minutes to roll up with his hand, no grinder included. He'd be like 1, 2, 3, takes paper, rolls, puff. Trust me. Because when you're on the streets and you need to have your one split and you don't have a scissors and you don't have a grinder, these are your best tools right here. Your hands.
Yeah, that's
So
all.
what's up with it, everyone?
Chilling, bro. What up, Ben?
Dylan, just trying to help Randy out. I changed the name of the hangout to Randy Gaston first ever live stream 100 subscriber sesh live from Jamaica. So when you're
Nice.
looking for, instead of just going to a random hangout, it looks a little bit more inviting than most people see join us on hangouts, and they're like they don't know where they're going or what's going on, so a lot of people just don't click on them. But if you name it,
Okay.
then they know where they're
Well, thank you. You're going to have to teach me how to do that. As I said, I was fumbling with the technology at the beginning of this. Oh, looking in the chat, Big Ed one said, asked me, that hurricane gonna get close to you. To be honest, we're getting the autobahns. Yesterday we had a like freak thunderstorm. Like the autobahns just hit us in 5 minutes, like it was sunny. Then within 5 minutes, rain. When I went into town, like 2 hours after, sections of the town were flooded. So I think most of it has passed. If not, we might get some showers because it's looking a bit cloudy right now. But regarding the hurricane, by the grace of God, it missed us, and we still got another day so we can embrace love and embrace cannabis.
For all you that
Yes.
don't know out there in the chat room and on the panel, Randy Gaston is Hollywood's new promoter. So you want merch or anything, any CDs or anything that has to do with Hollywood solo, look up Randy Gaston.
Let's gotta support the family. So anyone of y'all wanna venture off in music, whatever, you have my full support. At the end of the day, the only way we grow as a people, as a community, is if we show each other love and support, and that's what I always try to promote. Not a lot of people will want to show love and support, but hey, we're not a lot of people. And
Smoke.
fantastic.
Tomorrow is my 30-year Earth Strong, and I will be celebrating.
Ben,
Yeah.
I was not hearing you.
Oh, tomorrow is my 39 years Earth Strong celebration.
Nice. Bless up on your earth strong, Ben. 39. Well, I'm 23. Hopefully, I get to reach that age soon. But bless up, Ben.
Yep.
That's what's up, man.
I'm trying to get a big stash put together, homies over, and do the
Yeah, I will be out like 6 o'clock my time. I got a thing to attend, but if it's anywhere earlier, definitely I'll be there. I just pop in while at the place. Trust me, I'm gonna show you some love, Ben. You guys have been my major support thus far. I gotta show some love.
Thanks, man. I'm glad to see you come up so quickly, and it's pretty surprising it happened. Hang out with Jackie, bro, and Sparks, and all of us, and your subs are gonna grow, bro. There's no.
Trust me, I was surprised. I was shocked. And when I looked into it, I was saying to everyone yesterday when I went and saw the guys, I'm in the best community, and this is the community I want them to be a part of. The cannabis community where everyone grows together and just has a good time.
Yep.
And I said, do you need to have. Oh, funny enough, Big Ed, 1961 said, you need to have Usain Bolt over for a sesh. Funny enough, I may attempt it when it gets bigger, but also I remember when I was at a gaming tournament, it was for Call of Duty. My older brother is opening up his business, gaming business and stuff. And the team that we had to play against was Usain Bolt's team. And he kind of destroyed them in a somewhat way. I can't say we completely wiped the floor, but it was domination on our side. So, yeah.
What up?
Just bring back the
Cannabis
times.
Hey, Randy, I added Cannabis, Mr. and Mrs. Cannabis Love into the call.
Hey. Yeah, we're just hanging out with a bunch.
What's up, Cannabis?
We just came over to say hi from Canada, and we're gonna do some presses on Randy's show. We got some nice flower that's pressing nuts, Randy. So we're gonna do it live on your show, buddy. Yeah, congrats.
Awesome.
Yeah, congrats.
Thank you.
That's mad love right there, bro.
What's up, Hollywood?
What's up, Cannabis?
Randy, if you got a second, I'll show you something real quick. When you're done, never mind, I see your packing. When you're done with that, I'll show you a little on the Hangouts real quick. Or, I mean, on this stream that you can control stuff a little better and control your volume and everyone else's. Present people when you want to.
Well, I'm going to light up, so cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
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 I always wonder if you guys have any, I love when people ask me about Jamaica because two things. I feel somewhat proud of my culture and heritage so much that it's recognized overseas or globally. And two, I get the weirdest questions at times. And trust me, it gets weird. The weirdest question I've ever been asked. Randy, is it true that you guys have lions in your backyard and ride dolphins to school? I froze for a minute. And then I went with it and said, yes, I have a dolphin. His name is Flipper. He's been in my family for generations.
Shit, man, I want lions in my backyard. I want to ride on the backs of dolphins, bro. Where you at? Let me come through. I'm trying to, get on some of that.
Right. That's what I'm talking about, Ben.
Shit, that's a magical motherfucking place. Where you got? Wait, you got to be like a bunch of women. All good, right, Sparky? You got to agree. Fucking lions ain't trying to eat your Sparky ass.
I want to be like Tony Montana on a Siberian tiger in my backyard, man.
Put my juice. The most dangerous or the funniest thing I've ever had in my backyard was a crocodile. Back then, when we basically just raised a lot of animals and took care of them, two crocodiles. Large one, they're on the smaller one. Lessons: crocodiles should not be in captivity. Let them go into the wild and swamps. And in New York's case, sewers.
It's kind of mythical. They found a few in there, but it's not really. It's kind of stories and these are, I think, maybe 2 or 3 reported. And that's from people flushing them down the toilet.
Yeah, man. That's what happens when you flush something down the toilet. It grows and it gets. That's actually an interesting story, Randy. Because I had a friend that had it wasn't a crocodile, but it was like a generic version.
Oh. So you don't think it's going to get you? The hurricane's not going to get you, you said? Oh, you're not sure?
I think his volume's messed up, Ben.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yeah.
No, I muted myself because there was a car passing and playing music. And with regards to the hurricane, no. Based on its trajectory, it's gonna pass us. For some strange reason, either we pray a lot or something, or have too much weed down here. The hurricane is like, you know what? Let me take a curveball around Jamaica. You're gonna get some rain. Y'all gonna be flooded, but it ain't gonna directly hit you. I don't think we can take another hit from a hurricane right now, especially while we're basically building our economy. Because as I said, most people ain't watching 2018. 2018 is going to be a revolutionary year for cannabis. Trust me. Mark my words.
Well, you guys are slated for a bunch of big things there. Cannabis is really going to boost your economy, your tourism, a lot of things. The cannabis is going to change your guys' economy for the better. And
that's true.
You're going to bring all the rosters down out of the hills. And they're going to put that money into their community, and they're going to put that money in their families, and you guys, this whole economy is going to thrive from it.
As you said, family. When you're finished, Ben.
What's that?
Ben?
What are you asking?
Oh, as you were saying, family. You know that it's not Rasta people that's really and truly sell weed down here. When you look at it, it's where I get my weed. I get it from the corner shop in my community. I literally just walk 10 to 15 minutes and go to the shop where I can buy like groceries and just cool, I want a 100 bag or a 50 bag, and they give me my weed. Weed has been basically the fuel or the income in most Jamaicans' families, and they are trying to put it as only Rasta people. No,
I'm not
people
saying I didn't. That
like
wasn't
you and
only
me.
Rasta people. I was saying that they're not so scared anymore. They're gonna come down out of the hills where they have been hiding, and that's gonna improve the quality. They're gonna start being able to move it around legally. Then they're gonna put that money back into their families and into the community. I was just saying how it's gonna bring them down from the hill because, like you said, they're not the ones selling it; they're the ones growing it, and you're buying it from the. You know, I'm understanding what you're saying, but I'm thinking that it's going to bring
Yeah,
all
I
those
get.
people into the public, and they'll be able to sell it themselves, and everybody's going to be able to produce it, and it will just make for the whole economy's going to explode because it'll, it's going to change a lot for the better. It'd be able to be persecuted for it. This is what I was getting at.
It's true. That's true. I understand that point. Just wanted to add on something that most people don't understand.
Yeah.
Most people get the misconception because 1 in every 5 tourists, if so little, once they come to Jamaica, they expect that a Rastaman will always have weed. No, you can get some of the best weed from your grandma that's around the corner selling at her local corner shop.
Yep. But the master growers and all of those people can step out instead of hiding now. The guys that have been developing the genetics over there that have been growing for a really long time, that are keeping those few strains that are like the land race and whatever market strains that everybody wants. I'm not sure, but I feel that there's only a few big strains that are very common and everyone asks for. Kind of like the East Coast of the States, everyone wants purples, sours, or OG. Down there, I heard it's like ice. There's a strain called the ice or something, and then 2 other big ones that people really or ask for.
That's true. Because trust me, most of the kush we get is random kush. Dealer that knows what he's getting. I have secure dealers, so when I know I want like sour diesel, ice, purple skunk, I go to those people. But when I know I can get a decent high and I don't have to be searching for my dealer like Dora the Explorer, like, okay, where's the map? Nah, I just go to a normal dealer. At times they will have the kush and don't even know. And it's best if you educate them and let them know that this will sell because this is a actual name.
All right. I'm ready. I'm ready if you guys are ready.
All right. You know how
Send me
to.
ready. Come on.
So I'm only doing 67 pressure PSI, which is half. So we're only going to be pushing at 5 tons today. Watch how much comes out. This is nuts. You guys are going to love it. This is crazy.
You like it better like that?
I found that the low pressure, just wait till you see it bend. It's going to come out like your tape.
Yeah, creamy, right?
Yeah, and oh, so yummy.
Kind of got the consistency inside of a Oreo cookie.
Yep. Yep. And you get and it's good, tasty, like white and clear, and I'm not getting low returns either. So.
Yeah, I usually call that the virgins. When I do a hash pressings, that'll be when I do the low temp ones, that'll be like the first little stuff that squishes. Sometimes I'll open the hairspray and grab that stuff out of there before I keep going so it doesn't melt.
Right.
Yeah, man, that's the full of terpenes, bro.
Oh yeah, like white and clear, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it goes. Look at that. That's beautiful, bro.
Mm.
It tastes and smells so different, doesn't it? Than the
And it's only at half pressure, man. I'm like, literally, I could double the pressure of the unit if I wanted, but there's no point.
my low and
And
slow, man.
Double press too, man. I'll double press these as well, and wait till you see how much comes out of the second press, and the second press with the low pressure looks really, really good too. I would actually have to smoke it. Almost.
So
That means you got some good product, man.
You're liking that better than the way you were doing it before, the higher pressure, higher temp?
Yeah, for sure. Low and low, low and slow.
Low and slow.
Pushing for 2 full minutes here too, so we're almost done. But the double press will surprise you guys. You'll be like, whoa.
Trust me.
Before you were like, no second presses. It's not worth it.
If I get one of those presses, I'll be pressing all day. All day.
That's what he does is all day long, it seems. Every time I see him not watering, that thing's smashing something.
The thing is, I want to introduce dabbing in Jamaica. Most people will be scared. First time I took a dab, I was like the weed just do a thing like, hey Randy, come here boy. Grab me by my chest and be like, oh, you're going to get high, you're going to get high. I was like,
what? You said you didn't want to be high?
oh God.
All
Speaking of, that reminded me, I was in Kingston, right? This African team bar called Nunuk. Rastas come and we have a bonfire and we were passing the chalice around. And I was so high. And I was not tapping out. I was raised no fool. Whispered to my friend, tell my mom I love her. And I'm going to my drawer. And I'm going to the second drawer. But tell mom I loved her. And I was there and I was just puffing and passing. And then when they took a break, I was like, I believe in a God. Thank you, Jesus. Do not enter a chat with professional, with Rastas that look like they've been in this game for years. They'll get you high and then look at you and be like, yeah, man, that's for reach you. Yeah, man.
Look at this.
How long are you going for today,
Look at that, Ben. I just started pressing it, second press, and it's already coming out, man.
That's it.
I remember like a week ago you were like, fuck these second press. I never do a second press.
So with a high temperature and the high pressure, I would never do a second press. It would come out like decarboxylated to the nines. But with the low temperature and the low pressure, you could I actually pressed it the third time, and the third time it did come out brown and decarboxylated. But you know what I mean? Look at that second press. I'd smoke that. I'll actually take the cap off that.
That's beautiful, bro. I'd buy that.
Yeah,
that's a nice color too.
I don't normally want to dab seconds. Like anyone that knows me knows I'm pretty OCD about that, but I'm gonna dab all that right now. Oh.
That's nice.
You know me, dude. There's terp bubbles in there. All those bubbles are terps, man. Those are terps.
Right. So the lower the temperature, I find I don't like seeing big bubbles like that. I know that when I'm getting big bubbles, I'm decarboxylating. So that's why I've found these lower temperatures and the lower presses keep those bubbles a lot smaller. I like seeing tiny, tiny bubbles, right? Less decarboxylation. Cheers.
And the terpenes too, because the terpenes kind of help push that decarboxylation by that little bit of steam, moisture that's in there, and those terpenes flowing out of there.
Ooh-wee.
All right.
Second press.
See, that looks like the flower. I mean, not flower rosin, but ash rosin, and it's from flower. That's
crazy. so good.
Now I bet you could get some of that stuff to sauce up.
Yeah, I never thought about that. Oh, shit.
I see. Check this out, Cannabis Love. I see these guys on Instagram. They had a picture, and they just had like a little parchment paper like dam built. So when it poured out of their set, it was like dripping onto that parchment paper and then running down into a jar.
Yeah, I actually want to try that. I want to try making. Remember when we were doing those sacks where we were trying to push it all at the front? That would be really awesome if I could put a piece of parchment paper here and then put the sacks here and have it all squirt into like a big collection area here.
Yep.
Have like 50 grams of rosin, you know, that'd be fucking beautiful. Ooh, my French, sorry, but that made me excited.
Well, look, another thing, when you could do that flow, you just put that dam down there in the front of your machine and leave it there. So every bag that you put in there, it drips right into that big puddle you already have.
Right.
So then you're like saving time collecting, because collecting's a bitch.
It sure is. And if it was all in one spot and you didn't have to scrape it off 1,000 pieces of paper, that's a huge bonus, man. Literally, that is.
Yep. Just a little adjustment on how you fold your paper and how you place it in there is all it's going to take.
Well, all I would have to do is put a piece of parchment paper that it basically went from here all the way through, and then I just put the rest on top of that. I can do that.
Yeah, and then when it drips out onto, you can even do that kind of now.
Don't worry, I got another pound and a half to press today, so we'll do that later.
Sweet. Hey, Randy, how long were you planning on going? Staying on?
Planning, I'm going for an hour, but seems like I may go for 2.
I was gonna run to the shop, which is about 10 minutes. It should take me maybe 20 minutes to go there and come back. I want to go get some more. Shop really close, actually. Go pick up some medicine really quickly. I was gonna do that right when you called, but I want to go before. I'm afraid this flavor is gonna be gone if I don't get it. But literally, watch how fast it takes me to leave here and go pick some cannabis up and go to the store and come back to my house.
I understand, Ben. Safe travels. Safe travels always. I'll be here, and it was here as always. And trust me, having the people, the 100 in the chat on the panel. Much love to you all. Much blessings. Ben, I'll be here. So where's that? Safe journey.
I didn't have a dab. Let's have a dab. Mrs. Cannabis Love wants a dab. Yeah. She's over in. See, I got her working. Yeah. Like, get to work. No, I'm just kidding. She's gonna kick my ass later.
Yes, our significant others are the ones that actually take over in the relationship. A man's role is to make sure his woman is happy. Anything else with the downfall. So the first rule a man teaches his son is how to apologize for nothing. Even if you know you're right, you're wrong. If you have evidence, your evidence is invalid. A woman is. Trust me, living with my mom is right, always right. But mom, but what? You know that I have some love to show to the cannabis females in chat and to cannabis, Mrs. Cannabis Love. So I'm gonna go play that song for me.
She gets mad love, right, Mrs. Cannabis Love?
Yeah.
Nothing but love. Or she beat me. Look at her. She's way stronger than me. Look at my little skinny arms. I'm like,
really.
Yeah, look at her. Holy cow, man. Look at me. Oh, shit. That's embarrassing.
That's embarrassing. It's all right, Cannabis Love, bro. It's okay, man.
I'm a lover, not a fighter. I got this. This is my bodyguard.
Right.
There ain't nothing wrong with that, bro.
Yeah.
I'm Whitney Houston. Kevin Costner.
he said he Whitney Houston, Randy. You hear that?
Oh my god, that's so yummy.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but
That looks nice, bro.
it's nice and
it
flaky
looks better
too.
in person.
Yeah, it does look a lot better in person. Because this
Yeah,
light
mine
above
did
us really
justice.
ruined. Lights always ruin everything. I
Here,
need a
actually,
nice
maybe
light.
if I look at it
Cannabis field.
No, it won't work. I promise.
down on it, is that better?
No.
That's nice, bro.
The justice is the light above us that ruins it. Let's do a big dab for everyone in chat and everyone on the panel. Randy's 100 subs. Look, Mrs. Canvas Love is going to do a huge dab for you. She didn't even get, I'm not even going to give her the option. She's just going to do it.
Oh,
This thing is huge. Oh, like, look how clear that is, Ben. That's like your tape. You can see that.
Looks yummy. Made me jealous. Like, I gotta go to that shop now.
That's
get
nice,
going.
bro.
It worked.
right. All right.
Yo, your email's not working.
Oh,
Like everybody on the panel knows I'm coming to see them, Cannabis, but I'm gonna stop in Canada and see you too, bro.
For sure. It's cold out here.
We gonna party it up, brother.
Oh, shit. I smoke a lot.
It's all right, man. I smoke a lot too.
Yeah. I don't know about medicating. I'll say it. I get high. Woo.
we can
Right.
be medicated and we love the side effects.
Side effects?
Right.
What side effects?
It's what side effects? There ain't no side effects.
She's crazy. Side effects? Look at me. There are none.
All right.
I'm gonna cruise over to Jamaica too and see my boy Randy, man.
Yeah, that's why I said to Mrs. Canvas Love that I want to go to. She wants to go to Jamaica. I want to go to Jamaica. I'm actually allowed there too. So
Jamaica's a good place, bro. So
that was Protege's rule. Cannabis females out there. Some love. Second song for the cannabis girls. Trust me, we need to have more female community. We need to have a lot of females growing, talking about the whole cannabis art. That's my dream. That's my aim.
I want to keep it a mad sausage party. I don't know what you're talking about, dude. I'm totally joking.
he said, "I want to keep it a sausage party."
No. You see, last time party, it was the movie Sausage Party, and when I was
love that
working
movie.
for AT&T, I had to tell a lot of grandparents, sorry for the R-rated comingness at the ending that you all did not expect. Like, it's rated R. The first time I saw the trailer, I was, yep, Enza Fukri, Enza foolishness. And then when I watched the movie, it just concreted that factor. Yep. Seth Rogen. It's scarred me. Like every time I have a female friend over, or even my male friends, I'm like, guys, I got a list of movies that you gonna watch. And knowing them, they're gonna pick the animation because they're thinking, oh, it's not gonna be that bad. Then I just go out Sausage Party and I'm at me and be like, you sick, twisted man. I was like, yep, appreciate life. People coming in from work and school and everything. Puffing, and I just gonna play this other song. By the way, sorry for any late responses in chat. My thing lags. So mad love. I'm gonna show some mad love to the cannabis females. Big up Mr. and Mrs. Annette. Mrs. Annette. Cannabis love to the females then. Big up everybody in the chat. Blessings from Jamaica.
Hey Randy, next when you get off this live and stuff, man, I'm gonna holler at you on Hangouts, man. I got some business propositions for you, bro.
Anytime.
I'm digging that wall behind you, man. That's a cool wall, bro.
Thanks.
Psychedelic.
Thanks. Got a little stand for my. Thought you guys might be tired of looking at me like the side of my face. I usually have my computer or my camera over here, so I put it in front of me like everyone else. I'm not looking at the side of me.
I like the side view, Ben.
You like this side or this side?
Oh, I think your left side, yeah, for sure. I'm a +1 left side.
He said for sure the left side, for sure.
+1 for sure. Oh man, I haven't seen that done. What can I say?
Around the back.
Pressing flour all day is very fun.
Yeah.
Except for the blisters that I get. They're not very fun. You get a lot of blisters from cutting wheat up all day. But
Okay.
things we do for love.
These are the things we do for love.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we'll take it together. Yeah, I'll see you when I get there. It won't be that long.
I guess I could press some more too.
All right. Okay. Bye.
I just have to pack it. It's a real pain
Yeah.
packing the bags.
How many people we got in the chat, Randy?
Cool, my kid's doing karate tonight.
Woo-hoo.
Sweet. First class ever. Yeah,
Tell him to go Chuck Norris on him, bro.
yeah, totally. He's gonna be the next Chuck Norris, man. No, we gotta make him the next Van Damme.
Miss Paninia's son, he started karate last year, and you gotta understand this. He's like 7 years old, but he's like tall. He's like the kids in his class. He's really tall, so the kids in his class come up to like the middle of his chest. He's like a foot taller than most of them. He's huge. But he does not look like 7. He looks like 11. And when he went to karate, they're like, he could finish out this year, but I don't think we're going to accept him back into this program for the next round. Let's wait till next year when all these kids in his age group kind of catch up. Because he was still kind of in that mentality of a younger kid and couldn't really go with the older, more disciplined kids. So it wasn't really a place for him because he's so big. So,
Yeah, our kid's little.
Yeah, he got
He's
that
like-
from me.
He's the smallest in his class, like literally. So I don't think we'll have a problem that way.
no. But it was just kind of odd. They're like, he's too big. They're like, what do you mean he's too big? Well, he's
Yeah.
not advanced enough in his skill to be with the bigger kids, and he's too big for the little kids.
It makes sense. It's not really fair.
It's not fair at all. But whatever.
Yeah.
You don't want
So
to hurt them.
that's what he was like. He'll slow down. Those other kids will catch up maybe by next year, and then be a little bit more
fair and even.
easier for him.
See, that's why I would send Mrs. Cannabis Love down, because if that was me and they were trying to tell me that my kid could no longer participate, I don't know. I'm very nice, but then I wouldn't be nice anymore for that. I'd be like, well, why am I paying you? And then
No. They let him. They let him.
Well, no, I know, and they did it for that one. But I'd be like, come on, why can't you make an exception? He's going to be the next Bruce Lee.
He said Bruce Lee.
So he graciously selected yoga classes instead.
Ooh.
Everyone did yoga.
Awesome.
Now he's
Where
gonna
did our
be
host go?
flexible, too. Oh,
Oh
Randy dropped.
no!
If he doesn't come back, we'll get kicked, won't we?
Yeah.
There he is.
is.
There he is.
Boop. There he is.
Hey there, Randy.
He just had to realign the global satellites to his position.
Whatever you did with you sound a lot better now, Randy.
INS server kicked me out, so I went and Jimmy rigged my modem box again. The beauty about
Everything
all I
there,
do
man.
is technology. Glad that I did IT. knowledge just threw me over. Remember
It's
this.
definitely working better.
2 seconds, don't play with me. So either threaten the modem box or just hard reset it and get it working again. These days it's gonna push me to the point where I just get an antenna, get some wires, some foam cups, and my own internet.
Oh, it's awesome.
Yeah, one of my oldest memories, Randy, is like, and it confused me for a long time when I remember it, but I remember my mom trying to find my aunt, and she was driving around to the places that he would go to, like looking for him at the store or the bar or the restaurant or places he would visit or people's house. Couldn't use the phone and call and find someone. There was no cell phone stuff. I mean, I'm not that old, but I remember that, like, my mom frantically trying to locate someone and not being able to, like, that fast. Now, nowadays, you need to talk to somebody. It's like, boom, you can talk to them, like, right now, and if they're not there, they'll gonna, you know, you could message immediately, you know. But I remember that. So the phone and the two phone comes to the wire, man. Might have done that a few times.
Payphones were a thing. Now you're like, where's a payphone? A payphone?
There's one inside any police station has a payphone, but like,
why would you need a payphone inside a police station?
I don't know.
Aren't the police right there? Who are you gonna call?
Ghostbusters.
Right down this. Right down the street from here, there's a payphone outside the police station.
Random.
They got there just in case anyone needs to call 911, Ben.
Funny.
Ben, can you do me
But keep
a
this
big
slow down
favor?
and run to the shop.
Can you send the link to the in-apps coin, please?
What was that? I'm sorry. Oh, here, I got it.
Yeah.
Yep, I'll get them right now.
Yeah. Speaking of that searching for someone thing, I was trying to find someone. Back then, I had a phone, but I just decided, you know, I'm not going to take out my phone. Like, I completely forgot about it. You're riding around in like a community scheme, not find anyone for the love of God. I was like, okay, remember my training, because I did a course in tracking while I was doing cadets, fieldcraft, about everything, and everything zeroed out, and I listened, and I heard the voices of my friend and my little brother, and I was like, and I literally just followed the voice, and they're like, okay, hey Randy, it's like, don't worry about that.
Hey, Randy.
I think I got rusty. Hey.
What's up?
Hey, Cannabis Love.
What's up?
How you doing?
Good, you?
Good. Just
What's up, Mr. and Mrs.
yeah, we're both
OG Kush?
working in the garden. You know how it is. Hey, everyone.
Farmer's life, 24/7. Sleep when you're dead.
Yeah, it's just constant work. So we're gonna take a little break and chill with Randy for a bit.
Yeah. We're not taking a break, but we're chilling.
We're working and chilling.
We're working and chilling at the same time.
Ain't that the best kind of work?
I think so.
Yep.
Oh yeah, I've been working all day. I had to go up to the hydro store a couple different times, pick up new flood and drains, and setting up.
Well, guys, since you're working, I'm going to give you a little bit of scenery. Look at all that greenery.
Hey, Haneps, real quick. Yesterday I chilled with my buddy that's the raw rep, and I'm gonna meet with him on Friday, and then after that, I'll give you his information and whatever I find out in the meeting or whatever.
Oh, perfect. Thank you very much, Ben. Always appreciate it, brother.
But I'm pretty sure he's down to just give us all kind of shit, just as long as we always use. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, I'll definitely look forward to that because I haven't done. I have the raw sponsorship, but I haven't done it yet. So I'm gonna wait until after the meeting with him, and then we'll see what he's gonna add to it and just make it real sexy.
Yeah. That's what he's gonna do. He's cool. He's really cool about the internet or the YouTube stuff and the promotions and the live stream. He's like, you should come on here and do the live stream. I was like, sweet. So.
Yo, we got a big echo, is what the chat's saying. If you guys aren't reading it,
I think it started with.
I think Randy.
And it might be Randy, but I can't see it. I'll keep talking, trying to see it.
check.
Someone else has to talk to see if it's yours.
No, you sound good, Randy.
Hello. It looks like it might be me. I'll mute and then someone else start talking.
All right.
Check. I know it's not me because I got a crazy.
Yeah. Well, that's just it. It can't be me with crossbacking because mine's all noise reduction. See. So now I'll mute mine. Someone else start.
It might be mine, bro. I got bad connection where I'm at. Can anyone hear echo?
Let me talk while you're up. See, nope, not you. All right, so the next person drop in. Let's see, Mr. Sparks a lot.
It's not me. My mic's been muted the whole time. I'm trying to pack up the giveaway video, so it's not me.
Not Mr. Sparks a lot. Let's try Cannabis Love.
Someone's unmuted. Yay, but what's that?
Not Cannabis Love. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it is Cannabis Love.
No, it's you.
It's not me.
We just went through everybody.
Your screen is on bouncing when I talk. See? Watch. It won't echo now. It's totally you.
It's an app.
It's you. Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, it's totally you.
All right, someone else talk.
Hello. Yeah. It's one of you two. Mute yours, Sinep. Hello? Still there. It's you, Cannabis Club. I see the dot. It's gone.
All right, now go ahead and try it with mine unmuted.
It's not you. It's Cannabis Love.
Because we have
I know. I know.
It all out. So.
That camera, when I bought it, actually replaced $600 worth of audio equipment when I bought that camera. So I know it's not me. But
is it okay? But you're good now though, Cannabis Love. I think, unless you're muted. I can't see your microphone mute though. You must have muted your camera.
Yeah, it could be me. I don't know. Who knows? I don't really care. I'll keep my shit.
No, you're fine. It stopped. Yeah, it's good now. When you unmuted your mic, it worked. Like sometimes it just does. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna mute anyways and head to the shop, and I'll be back in like 20 minutes. See you guys soon.
Yeah. What are you pressing, Cannabis Love?
Just some flour. Wait until you see it come out, though. It squirts crazy. Crazy. Like white, creamy. It's okay.
Nice.
But pre-pressing sucks. Like, I've been pre-pressing all morning, and now my arms are all sore. Ugh.
He's being modest. Hayna, that shit looked like fucking Scotch tape strip a second ago when he dabbed it.
Nice.
Oh, wow. Nice. This I got to see.
He's got her dialed in, coming out white and creamy.
Need a press.
I know. I need a press so bad. It's okay. It's in the works. Hopefully. We'll see. I'm working on it.
God dang. Booster for my live stream, like chat, and it's so annoying. Chat, don't say anything. It's my internet is lagging. Much love to everybody. Betty Crocker in the house. Well, we'll be talking to you soon. Best up to everybody in the chat. As I said, if it wasn't, wouldn't have reached thus far. On panel, the naps, not only very, it's the energy that I was like, I'll go and do a video and do it for the 100 subs. I was like, nah. The people that got me here, I need to show them love. I need to let them be a part of this because for me, this is a whole nother experience. No one in Jamaica has done it. I don't think much people see the market for it. Go there, put and just receive so much love from everyone. Thank you all for making me reach at 100 subs. Thank you for being here. For people, much love to the cannabis community and much love to everyone.
Big ups, Randy. I'll see you soon. Be right back.
People that don't know, I grow as well. I'll be coming out with a series. Right now, I got some Jamaican purple skunks. No, and trust me, friends, I can already see my super female. She's just growing as fast as ever and pushing out faster than anything else. So by next week, I'll be transplanting them and extra nutrients, organic nutrients, because I'm basically no-till. I'm going to use molasses that we have down here, the liquid molasses, the sugarcane factories. We're going to use some cornmeal, corn, getting it straight from the caves in St. Elizabeth, that's next door to me. Rabbit pellets. Also getting fruit from the fruit person, like the peelings and the, for just getting all of that. I have aloe growing wild. I have mulch, so that's all gonna be burning out for a week. Then I'm gonna make some compost tea. Earthworms, they're ready to eat what's basically mixed in. So ahead of me, and I'm gonna be documenting it. So stay tuned. In Jamaica, I'm gonna be going to like Maroon Town to look for strains, I should say. Sorry about that. I am basically hunting land races. So lamb's bread, Cali, Jamaican most wanted. I want that specifically because I'm going to some, but yeah, I'm just basically gonna be around Jamaica, live streaming with you all. I want to showcase Jamaica in a way that no one has. See people coming down to Jamaica, going to different spots. Nah, but I should be able to like go outside, take my camera out and be like, hey, welcome to my video vlog or whatever. I want to show you, this is Jamaica. The culture, the scenes, walking into the city, Mandeville. Walk, I take time out and I'm there just seeing the people. As one of my favorite streets is when I walk past and I just see this Rasta man. And there are times I just stop and I just look at him and his craft, and it's you don't see a lot old school carpentry these days. Trust me, it blows my mind. So I want to ensure that you guys experience that as well. Thank you all for making me reach thus far, and much love to you all.
No problem. Speaking for Lady Head F and I, we're glad to be here, Randy. I think you've got something quite unique going for you, being that you're in where every single one of us wants to go for vacation, dare I say. No, I'm just saying, you've got just paradise at your beck and call just to go out and explore nature is something most of us could probably only dream about doing where you're at. So to be able to go out and actually showcase some, significantly rare genetics, let's just call it and leave it at that, and the culture and community that you're also bringing to the forefront and to the YouTube community is something that nobody else has actually done. So my hat's off to you. Anything we can do over here at Hanapo G Kush, we're going to do to help you out. Mr. Sparkslot was doing something awesome the other night, running a giveaway. So while we were on our channel, we did kind of like a coincide thing, kind of shunting traffic back and forth. And anything we can do like that to help out in the future, you just let us know, and we're all on board with. If you can't get a hold of us, Mr. Sparkslot knows my direct line, so you can always get a hold of him, and I'm sure he'll be able to get a hold of us anytime. Other than that, chat, I really appreciate everybody coming by and showing some love. I see a lot of familiar faces in here. Leslie, I grew some. Got NorCal Nugget, thanks for stopping by. We've got Mr. Sparks a lot, Betty Crocker, Weed Hub, Tim S. Can't forget Tim. Contest winner there. Cannabis Love. Oh man, that man's gonna be pressing. Yeah, you've got an awesome panel. You've got an awesome group of participants in chat. And I just, I'm very happy for you. I don't think that your first live could have come off much better, brother. Congratulations.
I feel so blessed, and thank you all. Right now, the aim is to just continuously grow, to vibe and love. Sir, that would be nice. And continuously doing what I'm doing, because that's going to be happening in Jamaica with the whole organization. I'm actually going for my license, so that's going to be a journey for me. I already have the land. It's an aircraft land. So inland, help from my family with that, but I thought about it. I want to just be like, okay, since I'm doing this, I just want to showcase the cannabis journey that I'm embarking. Most people don't know. Working for a call center, at the end of the day, it wasn't for me. I left. Parted on this journey. It's been a uphill battle. It's been a lot, but I enjoy every moment of it. So I wanna, I'm in this journey, gonna get the license. So I'm gonna be at the our own cannabis cup. They call it what, Rasta Fest or something like that. So I'm gonna be there. So I want everyone to see that as well. Trust me, there's a lot that's gonna go on, and beside me, I know I'm gonna not only just grow, I'm just gonna flourish, and I want you all to be a part of that. On a vacation in Jamaica, we have plans for that. Don't mind having the family around.
Hey, Tricky D, thanks for stopping by, brother. Always nice to see you.
Yeah, what up, Tricky D? Yo, just so you guys know, this is the second press right here, man. Second. Look at all that. I don't even normally second press. I feel wrong doing this, but I'll probably pull like 3 grams out of the second press. That's a second press right there. Now I would definitely not mix that. Don't worry. My second presses go in a different pile. So these are all second presses right here, right? Lots, like pretty good. This is actually really cool. When you lower the temperature, you lower the pressure, you can get a really good quality second press.
Good to know. And your press bags are just kind of stacking out there, buddy.
That's nothing. I pressed 3 pounds of weed in the last 2 days. I got to press another 1.5 pounds today. I got buckets of these things, man. Buckets of them. This is just from today.
I'm working with some. Well, I don't know. We'll talk off cam. Working with some people that had some donations. You know what I mean? So we'll see what. Maybe I don't know.
Well, once you start pressing, right? Because I remember I don't charge a lot. I don't take a percentage. Because in America, a lot of people do like 50% and stuff like that, where they take 50% of the person's product, and we charge $5 a press, Canadian. You know, that's like for you guys like $3, man. So, you know, most people will be like $3 to use your press. Sweet. Right. I'm just happy to use the damn thing.
Experience. But yeah, no, I would love to pick your brain because, as you know, I'm trying to get a press, and I'm working heavily with the like the Weed for Warriors and 1021 and anything like that I can do for the vets. And after it's been pressed, even the second time, you can still put that in an alcohol solution and pull. You know what I mean? So. I want to be able to do something on a donation type situation where, because we're going to have as much as you are over there, you know what I mean, just stacks of them around, and I don't want it to go to waste, and I'm not going to have the time to do it.
You can run it through ISO, or you can run it through a closed loop extractor, because in America you guys can do butane extraction. So, and this here is you could even press it a third time. This is a third press. This I wouldn't smoke it, but that's edibles too. You could use this for edibles as well. So, and that's from a third press.
Yeah, we have a closed loop extractor, but that's the only legal way to do it around. You know what I mean? You have to have a closed loop.
Right.
But
it leaves too much.
It leaves too. We're still unhappy with what it leaves behind. I want mine to be pure. You know, that's the whole point. So.
Once you decarboxylate it, I don't know. I'm not a negative BHO person. I believe if you make it properly and you purge it properly. And then once you're decarboxylating it anyway, there's not going to be any butane left. Plus, you're not smoking it, you're eating it.
It's not with butane, it's with food grade alcohol, and it's like
Everclear, yeah.
Taste it no matter what. It doesn't matter if you get it all out or not, you can still taste it in the end. And I don't like that at all.
Yeah, I wouldn't do alcohol washes either. I don't like alcohol washes either. No.
Yeah,
so I think they'll end up just using it to make like and, you know, or making.
Happy 420 from Jamaica. It's 420 right now.
Oh, I'm going in for a dab.
Happy 420 in Jamaica. I'll do a dab for that one.
Damn right.
Come on, Randy. What you smoking on?
I'm gonna take a fresh dab off this.
And go Kush.
Randy smoking that Jamaican fire.
Yo, is the echo still here, everybody in chat? No one hears the echo, right?
No, there's no echo now.
I'm blaming Ben Enya. It was fucking Ben Enya. Who knows? Could be my mic. Look at this dab. This one's gonna be huge. You guys are gonna like shit. Whoa, this is way too big. I'm gonna die doing this.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I love seeing that.
I feel so
echo.
I'm bamboo are going to use for
Cheers,
the
everyone.
chalice.
This is like probably like a half-gram dab. I won't lie. It's really big. It's gonna hurt. I'm gonna hold it in too. Tiger's blood.
Okay. Good luck. By the way, while everybody gonna be dabbing, I just gonna inform everybody chat on the panel. I'll be doing a giveaway after this. A Jamaican made chalice made out of bamboo. So, or I'll be getting it out by later Saturday on the giveaway. So thank you all for showing up. I'll be told after the stream.
Definitely entering in that giveaway, bro.
Got the same problem going on over here, Cannabis. So when I can talk, I got questions for you, Randy.
Ed.
I'm sorry, that was a big one. A big one. Actually kind of hurt a little bit. I'm definitely sweating. If I had a sweater on, I'd have to take it off.
Yeah. Okay, so what did you say you were giving away, Randy?
Bamboo chalice.
I have to turn our system up. Lady Hannah turned it down. So once again.
I said, I'm giving away a bamboo chalice.
Oh. Bamboo chalice.
Take a pull off me chalice, man.
No, don't run from with the chalice. Do not run from with the chalice. It will make you know yourself.
Hey, Landon there.
Hey, Landon there. I saying, fire circle with rastas pulling on a chalice. Here. I said I was wanting to tap out. I was high. I was like, is it my turn yet? Oh my God, it's my turn. I'm like, yeah. I got about like 5 minutes, 5 minutes more. 2 minutes afterwards, I'm pulling on that and I'm like, break, let us take a break. Because what it does, the one that I'm making is the steamers. There's the clay sections. You have the mesh, you put the weed in a basically bowl area. This clay mesh that when you burn, you use like the coconut husk. To take that out, like that. And then we just use that as our coal, put it on top, and then we pull until it starts steaming the weed. It doesn't, it basically just everything nice. Because of the coconut, the bamboo sweet taste, and just gives you a natural high that I love. The mango kush, the strawberry kush, or the ginger skunk, those are amazing. All right.
Sorry about that. I got the whole crew in here. You got Palmside Extracts, Landon Air Genetics, Dirtman Dan. We got Tricky D Labs, Dutch Pro 420. I mean, like, wow. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, like, great party today. I will agree.
Y'all family. My, no, for sec. Is showing me love. Thank you so much, y'all family. Here with y'all. Like, how I got on YouTube with this is one day home for a deal of leaving work no, I was working at the time before I left, and I was there, and I was like, okay, what's on YouTube to watch? In Canada, right? And then I found a live stream. Okay, they have this, and I found, and I just kept on finding everyone, and then on a couple of streams, and then I just found the community afterwards, and it's just been love, and it gives me reason in the day. Waking up knowing that I have something to do, such an amazing community, such a diverse set of individuals that are so positive. Most of y'all don't know, but I'm 23. I think I'm the youngest here. And I look at you guys as my mentors, my elders, the people that thing and I should listen to and actually take from, because you guys have experiences that I don't. Other than, I don't know how to act 23 because I've only been 23 once. You got to be 23. It's different, but you got to experience life. Best to know every one of you. Any more questions, Mr. Cornell?
Hey, Ben. The only question I had was what you were giving away, because I couldn't hear it, but that's okay. I turned you up and we got that covered. I was just going to read through chat and see if anybody had any extra reading through chat. See if anybody had any questions, but they look like they're pretty self-entertaining here. Anybody got any questions for Randy? Just shoot them out here. I'll try to get them read out in chat. Welcome back, Ben. Nice to see you've made it there and back all in one piece. He's got something he wants to show, so let's see what Ben's got.
Your mic's muted, Ben.
Sorry, guys. I forgot my fucking wallet, so I'll be back.
Damn! All right, brother. He's not back yet. That's halftime. That's Ben's halftime.
It didn't take me that long, so it's about 10 more minutes. I'll be back.
All right. Don't y'all just hate it when that happens? I can't tell you how many times I have left, got there, and been like, oh my God. Not again.
No, going in a taxi and then you're like halfway to the town and then you're like, okay, time to take out your. No. I'm like, you know what? I left my wallet home. You're going to drive me back. I just start having conversations. It makes the awkward situation less awkward for me. By the way, I think it was I grew some. My memory is right now. But I was the person. I think it was I grew some. I'll vouch for that. Breaking up coal to add to a soil mixture. The pot that I have the purple in, I had some coal that was just lying around, and I brought that apart and was like, okay, adding carbon. I never knew that it was such a powerful technique. Funny enough, I go outside and decide to take stuff for fertilizer or nutrients or to up on the soil itself. I just take a very nice 20-minute walk. Pick off flowers that are just blooming out, some fruits that just fall because you got a lot of fruit trees. But got a lot of guava. Guava just litter the place, and wild berries. And just pools, and it's been working. So I just really love where I live and learning from everyone, to family. no till, and just finding out that I can utilize my environment so much, it's been a blast growing now.
Well, Randy, that's how most, if not all of us, learned, was paying attention, either to the people here on YouTube or somebody else in our immediate community. None of us were out-of-the-box professional growers. So me personally, and I give them credit all the time, is I've watched a lot of YouTube growers. I took their advice. I saw what worked for them. And what's nice is YouTube provides a learning platform undeniably unlike anything else. You get to not only see what they're doing, you get to see when they mess up. You get to see, even if they're not wanting to show you that they messed up, you get to see everything that's going along good, and then a big absolute hole in what's going on. Then, okay, well, you know they messed up. Okay, so everything is borne out on YouTube, whether you want it to be or not. The best thing to do is just be transparent. You know what I mean? You're going through, show everything if you're going to show everything. If you're not, you're only going to show the end product. Well, then explain everything, but then, you know, you're going to get the questions on efficacy. How did you get there? YouTube provides that balance equilibrium where you can not only get the this is how I'm doing it, but you can get that this is what happens in the end at the same time. And it kind of bridges that gap for people that the industry needs, so that you don't have to go out and do all the trial and error like I've had to do, or like any of the other growers that's going along that has had to do before me. I didn't have to go do everything Vader taught me how to do, or, you know, everybody on the round table that's doing it, or everything that, you know, Mouse and Phantom Photon Designs and Green Jeans and all those, you know, all the light people on YouTube that were teaching everybody. I mean, like, if you go back and you actually are able to do your research, you can learn everything that you're going to need to know on your grow from A to Z without interruption. I mean, like, you can pick and choose who you want to learn it from. I mean, most everybody shows you not only how they start, the middle, and how they end. And, you know, you don't have to take it from just one source. You can learn how the hydroponic people are doing, how the flood and drain, how the outdoor, how the soil, how, you know what I mean? You can take all of this, put it together for yourself, and then say, okay, well, I think this from this guy, and this from this guy, and this from this guy, all should be put together in this manner, and let's see what that does, and run with it. There's nothing that says it's wrong, because in this, you know, industry, in the niche that we find ourselves, there really is no wrong way to do it, as long as the end result is productive. I mean, like, how you get there then is just the journey that you're videotaping for everybody else. You know, and then they may choose to do it your way. They may choose to do it a completely different way. My hope is that somebody sees what I'm doing and somebody sees what everybody else is doing, and they put a little bit of what I'm doing with a little bit of what everybody else is doing and come up with a whole new way to do it. Because then I definitely would watch, learn from that, and then build on it myself. I mean, if we all continue to do that, this is going to be an amazing industry in 10 years. If we go stagnant, or let the big corporations, or you know what I mean, we let the big guy run the little honest, ethical, you know, hard-working guy out with their cheap knockoff, you know, poorly made, half-ridden, you know,
garbage,
whatever, then we deserve what we get in 10 years. We are the ones that are creating this industry, after all. We are in a unique position, unlike any other industry in the United States. We are the ones that are, you know, spiriting this industry forward, the consumer. And unlike the rest of the industries, the consumer is the one that has the tip of the spear in this industry, not the corporations, not big industry, not the government, us small guys. I mean, everybody else is looking to us and taking from us what they will, you know? So that's my rant. Sorry.
Yeah, I enjoy that rant, because to add on to that, growing is, I remember 2013, I was at UTech, University of Technology degree, and I had to do on, I chose it because I love weed, the legal, the of marijuana. I did that. I went into full research mode. I went into the background. I went into it, and I found so much on the internet and on YouTube, and I just got hooked. I got a 98% though. 98%. I brought everything needed, possible. I got that good stuff, and I go into research mode. I go in full research mode. But yeah, I found so many. It actually gelled into who I am as a person. For me, I don't believe in perfection. Perfection to me limits a person. The perfect technique, I will not stray from it. As at the end of the day, we are made to grow, or growing, learning, evolving physically. If you're stuck in that rut, stagnant, and that just basically breaks a chain and creates a drain. So with my growing technique, I've learned a lot and have been incorporating it thus far, growing like that went well. It had the pineapple terpenes infused because of the organic compost that we used. Different types and ways to clone, ways to crossbreed in. So we are at this era where we can say it's completely lost for people trying to technique off of learning from those around us. If people like me are around, we're gonna be okay. Others are there. The people that have grown are there. The people with the technique, the experience are there. What we lack is experience. What they have is knowledge. We need to gain that knowledge. Then after trial and error, get that experience. I believe the industry where I know big companies are going to be like, okay, we got that cheaper way to make it, so we push out large quantities so the market is flooded with their product. At the end of the day, my business, I want to open up a coffee shop. I believe my customers are going to be the loyal people that are there, that come with atmosphere, enjoy the good quality there. Because at the end of the day, I can attest, because reason why I'm doing this whole cannabis thing, I'm a smoker myself. I'm a cannabis user myself. 30 minutes. Literally, when I was at UTech Tavern, bad place. But at the end of the day, the university students get a leeway because we bring in they get a profit because money is coming into the community. So 2 o'clock in the night, I can get weed, but I know where I can get quality. Trumps quantity anytime. So I just throw on a hoodie in the ghetto. Hear gunshots, because earlier gunshots were firing. Still getting that push though. Got X and the weed man link. Yo, we make it so far in a dangerous place. You know. But at the end of the day, will always be there, and that's what our market is. We need to basically bring the community together. What we're doing, because as I said, we have Canada in the house, we have USA in the house, we have Jamaica in the house. It might be different countries, visiting different people visiting different countries where is just gelling of the day. Creators we have been fought against by every different class, race, social structure. As a community, we need to come together and lift and strengthen each other. We have live streams, it's being promoted like what should be promoted. When we have people, content coming out with stuff, embracing it and pushing that, because at the end of the day, have the quality, have the family, have that takes care of her plant way possible, because that's what she does. Person just pushing drugs into your plant because they want that money from you. Once we have that, the community is secure, but at the end of the day, it just takes every one of us. Hope. I believe in everyone. I believe in the community. Put in our work, basically. And sorry for my rant.
Well, you're good. It's just it. A strong community, and you build from there. And that's what I think we're trying to build here, is all the content creators in their own unique way are trying to build something that is going to resemble a bright future, you know. At least everybody I'm aware of. The people that tend to want the drama and create the drama, they're, you know, they're like shooting stars, bright, flash, everybody goes, woo, ah, and then they go about their business. You know what I mean? That's just about what happens.
Yeah.
You know, so it's a very fine line in the community. You want to, you know, keep everything as calm and politically, you know, straight as possible, but at the same time, you want to have, you know, your moral background, your moral code, your do's and your don'ts, and you try to, you know, stick to your guns as much as possible. And what we have found at Hanapoji Kush is that there are the 3 don'ts. You don't ever talk about politics, because there's always 3 people in the room. You start talking about politics, and everybody's arguing. You know what I mean? And that's just with 3 people in the room. So politics, put them in a little box. You don't get to talk about that. Religion, same thing. Religion seems to be another firecracker kind of subject. So we put that in the box. We put it right over there with politics. And sports. Sports. Woo! We leave that one to the last just because even saying that might upset people in chat. Okay, guys, it's nothing against sports. It's just they go in that other little box when we put it up there with the other ones. We don't talk about those 3 things ever on Hanapoji, because if they come up, they're fastidiously ignored. It's just better, because then it cuts down on 90% of that hyperbolous argument that really, you know, I'm just not going to go on. You're not really going to convince anybody in 15 minutes on YouTube of anything in those 3 categories. So it's just not the forum for those ideas, thoughts, and or arguments to be heard. So we just don't do it. And we find that cuts down on a lot of the drama and stress. Now, out and on the other side of that, if you continue to just find reasons to create drama, those are the shooting stars channels I was talking about. They just seem to be bright for a minute. Everybody pays attention. They do their ooh, ah, and then they're gone. So, you know, just be careful. You know, this is a loving community, an all accepting one. Everybody's only too ready and eager to accept and help out and, you know, extend the olive branch even when mistakes are made. So it's not a community you can easily ostracize yourself from.
Understand. And I'm going to basically throw it out there for the record. How should I put it? Today, I am a positive person. Back. I know what envy, hatred, and all of that feels like. That's not what I want. My channel is I want to promote if you're not helping someone, if you're not making someone else's life better, then your existence is sustainable. They need to connect to each other through the use of technology. Internet is so connected worldwide. So you have everyone from a different country. So what you do with that privilege, that power, is up to you. That power comes with responsibility. To everyone in the community, to ensure that I enforce my morals, to ensure that it's unnecessary drama, that to me is nonsense. Disrupt or create unnecessary chaos there's chaos all around us. We're being fought against, and no, we need to unite. I believe in each one teach one, not just feed me today, just teach me how to fish. That's what I love about this company.
Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt. Mr. Sparks a lot. What you got going on over there? It looks like we got some souvenir series double OG guacberry. If I am not mistaken,
nope.
You'd have to present his screen. There we go. Perfect. Right there. Don't move. Don't move, Mr. Sparks a lot. You have got it. Now you have to present him, Randy. I believe we have something awesome in store, so I'm going to give the floor to Mr. Sparks a lot.
It's no biggie. I'm just doing the giveaway for those that are in the chat room. If you share this on Google Plus and hashtag it RG Live, which is Randy Gaston Live. I don't want to make no long hashtag because I know how lazy we are. Anyways, I'm giving a 10-pack, not a 5-pack, but a 10-pack of double OG guacberries. That goes the lineage. It's OG Kush crossed with moneyberries crossed with East Coast OG Kush. So I'm not trying to take up the floor. This is Randy's show. I'm just here to help. But I'm packing up other giveaway prizes, and I figured I'd make another pack. So one of y'all out there, you have to follow the directions. Share on Google Plus, hashtag RG Live, so your friends will come in here. If you won a giveaway for me recently within the last 30 days, you're not qualified to enter because I am sponsoring this giveaway, and I would like to spread the love. So it doesn't mean you cannot share. Share anyway. I love y'all. That's it.
And where are you posting that at, Sparks? Like the rules and stuff?
I'm not posting any rules. I just stated the rules. You must share this live. As a matter of fact, just read the chat because I don't know how any simpler. Share this on Google Plus. If you don't have a Google Plus, then something's wrong with you. Use the hashtag RG Live for free 10-pack of double OG guacberry. Shout out Randy. Lord have mercy. I'm gone.
Bless up. Thank you very much for that. You know, I'm going to play a song. When he was leaving, a quote, I don't know if you remembers, for the quote that he said. Let's not kick me off, Jesus. I don't like stepping on toes, especially when it comes on to YouTube and copywriting.
Are you talking to me, Randy? I'm sorry.
Instead, I'm going to play this song. You made a mention, and I'm going to play the song regarding the quote that you said before you left off of your live stream. A sec.
YouTube's not going to kick you off as long as you're not playing anything. Like most remixes are cool. You can play a remix or something as long as it's not like, I don't know. It's kind of a gray area. If it's something that's been produced and it's out on like CD, I wouldn't even mess with it. But a lot of DJs will make remixes and put them on the internet, and they don't really care if you use them per se. But YouTube has a big smorgasbord of music that you can download from their website and use.
Yeah, I'm not going to touch that then. That's because I was going to play Patience by Nas, but they're the Marleys, and YouTube just love their Marleys. Try anything to copyright in their term. White and rice. Song to play.
I mean, if you play a song and you're not monetizing, what they'll do is they'll run ads in your video, and any money that is made off that video will go to the artist. So it's like you supporting the artist in your own little way.
I'm gonna need to do that donating thing in my description or whatever. No, but still, I believe in a positive vibe. So, honey, no problem. It's going back to Jamaica.
All right, guys. I'm sorry. I gotta bail out of here. We have got to start our afternoon picking up kids and stuff from school. So much love. I'm glad we could be here on your live.
Congratulations on your 100.
Congratulations. And talk to you later, Cannabis Love. Talk to you later, Mr. Sparks, Shala, Hollywood, Randy. And when Ben gets back, would you let him know that we send our love? And always, chat, you guys absolutely rock. We wouldn't be here without you. See you later, Leslie. See
Bless up, everybody. Thank you all for the love. I'm Mr. and Mrs. Neb, and thank you very much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us, buddy. We'll talk at you later.
Peace.
Garden life.
So, let me see if I can go and perform my split.
This is for my music. This is for my music. It's love for the music. Journey on my music. I've been doing this for 7 years. I never make a dollar, never make a change. I say, never give up, never never slow. You don't see me, I'm only down for 7 more. I've been doing this for 7 years. I never make a dollar, never make a change. I say, never give up, never never slow. You don't see me, I'm only down for 7 more. This is my 7-year itch, and I'm coming home. My 7-year itch, and then I'm coming home. My 7-year itch, and then I'm coming home. My 7-year itch, and now I'm coming home. My mother sent me to school for 17 years. Think about a ton of DJ, no severe. What you see in here, this is a product of 2 college. I want the diploma, know the green, I know the meaning. Out in this world and everything you're learning on the past 5 years, it not go help you to earn nothing. What's the word, cousin? You help your cousin. So every word that they heard me with words, so every burden they heard like me heard us of flawless, them not listen to. Really so I live up the team. I watch Sean and Steve Marley. I live out the dreaming. Welcome to Jamaica, in my feeling up. Listen, it's still I listen to the sights and the music are meaningful. Take a look at my light up. My herb customers calling me, but now my music demanding me. This is my 7-year itch. I've been doing this for 7 years. I never make a dollar, I never. Never give up, never ever slow. You don't see me, I'm holding on for 7 more. I've been doing this for 7 years. I never make a dollar, never make a change. I say, never give up, never ever slow. You don't see me, I'm holding on for 7 more. This is my 7-year itch, and then I'm coming home. My 7-year itch, and then I'm coming home. I said, I'm coming home. 7-year itch, I said, I'm coming home. It's a song, calling Diggy, the only son. This sister young, hey, I'm a legendary ask around. I see a pound, and then we tell you, they carry Maka at home. Ask Marshall, ask him. And if you get a glimpse of Sean Paul, they wanna ask him. How it feels, we got 3 times flat. Then Shaggy back in the move 3 times. Feel like that, just want to retire to a seaside land. Left all the war and bring the peace right back. Never been in love until now. Just lasted wondering how you would get through it. like customs with hers. I know me not accustomed to hers, but I got accustomed to her. And her, she accustomed to me. Addicted to the thing where addicted to she. Empress foreign, she calling me, but now my music demanding me. This is my 7-year itch. I've been doing this for 7 years. I never make that.
So that was 7-Year Itch by Protege. How is the music? Everyone in chat. Cannabis Love, how's the music?
Over here scraping off some rosin, man. I got a pack, like a whole whack load of rosin to scrape off papers. Let's see.
Nice. The music on your side, is it helping with the vibe?
Oh yeah, man, it's awesome. Yeah, all right.
One thing I love about my culture, it's so diverse that it has so many elements that with the artists, they basically, and hopefully YouTube does not kick me off. I do apologize. I do not. This song, because yes, run.
Out in the street, they call it rain. Suck it in your backpack. This melody your girlfriend can't talk now. I'm only come around like tourists on the beach with a few club service, bedtime stories, and pose like them named Chuck Norris. And don't know the real hardcore, cause sandals are no back to. The thugs them with where them got to. And voting twice to shot them spot to. Unless you carry guns and lot to. A beer tough thing come out to when Trenchtown man stop laugh and block off traffic. Then we let pop up and them start traffic. We dip in file down and it have be traffic. Police come in a jeep and them can't stop it. Some say them a playboy rabbit. Get up like a bad habit. Son of a post up it, you don't have it. Rastafari stands alone. Hey.
Gotta give you guys a little. Cannabis Love. I'm sorry, Mr. Sparks a lot just informed me that they're going to tag it. Sorry about that. Yeah, gotta show some love. That's one of my favorite songs. The Marleys are one of the greatest reggae stars. I will give them that. We have a lot of talent down here. Everyone is an artist in their game. Hopefully we had a good vibe even if they tagged it. Anybody on the panel want to say anything?
Just scraping away, having fun being here. Thanks for inviting me, Randy. I'll be scraping this like for hours, by the way. So pressing it takes a while. Getting it off the paper takes a while too, but the gloves. This is all second press though. I will not be mixing it with the first presses. I even did a third press for Kootenai Cannabis, who's in chat. We put 3 together and we pressed them a third time just to see what will come out, and stuff came out.
Wow.
Yeah, I felt cringy. I did it. For Team Canada.
It will be pressing. Or is drinking. A lot of this stuff that you guys have over there are doing some revolutionary stuff, and we're down here like, okay, we're slowly getting it. Get to introduce it to the market, then it will actually be promoted properly. Customer base needs to get accustomed to this because it's a whole nother high. And I almost felt like I was dying. some strange reason, a friend of mine decided to play a Kanye West song. Well, can we get much higher? I'm like, no, I don't want to get much higher. Is that Neil Armstrong? Hey, I'm at the moon now.
You know the poop emoji? There it is. Poop, there it is. Ha.
Reminds me of the movie.
Sorry, I got excited.
Especially this one.
I'm gonna take a dab though. Big dab, fresh off the press. This is from the first though, not no second press. Oh yeah.
Okay, since you do rosin, explain to me that the difference between like first press, second press. Just explain a little bit.
Just like terps and taste and everything. Like you're still gonna get high off of the second and third press for sure, but it's just not gonna taste as good as the first one. So this right here is gonna taste amazing. It's like blonde and almost see-through. But I'm not down it. I'm gonna let my buddy dab it first. I'm always a go first person.
I will hold it.
Oh, such a gentleman.
She's actually from Peru.
Oh, that's up from Jamaica.
Yeah. The camera's over there. Yeah, there he is. Cheers. Oh yeah, man. I'm gonna kill him with this dab. He doesn't even know yet. He's gonna die. Oh.
Just looking into chat and saying it properly. I hate pronouncing it. It's my cousin name. T-E-N. It said we want to come hang out with me. Love. Well, anytime anyone of you, anyone in Jamaica, or even in my Google, and make time to ensure that you enjoy yourself. Maybe I have a thing where I want to just take like my camping bag, my tent, drive around with my friends, find that like a free beach where we can just sit and just camp out there for the night. Bonfire, food, just be under the stars. So trust me, I would love everyone to be a part of that. So anytime you try to you engage in the full, not that water down whitewash tourist. I don't even know what to call it. They just whitewash it. In Jamaica, anyone in Jamaica, just hit me up on my page, my channel, I should say, my YouTube channel. You can see on the dashboard all my contacts. So hit me up, I'm available. I want to show love and ensure that love is always flourishing in this community.
Hey, you guys see me? Is this upside down or is this right side up? I guess the chat's not paying me any attention. That's right side up? Or it's
right side up.
It's upside down.
Trust me, I see what you're doing there.
It's upside down? I was just trying to figure out with the camera and shit. So that's right side up?
That's right side up, man.
Yeah, you got it, Sparks.
Yeah, I don't even know if y'all can read that shit or not. But this is the giveaway prize. If you guys would like to win a 10-pack of some double OG guap berries, make sure you share this link out, man. I gotta go pick up the little
That
one,
much
bro.
focus, but it's there. Sticker, mouse. It's not that focus, but it's there. Yeah, I can. Yeah.
I think I shared it right, Sparks. I'm not sure, but I shared it on Google Plus, so I'm sure I did it right. I hashtagged RG Live, so.
The only reason why I asked you guys to hashtag it is because when I get ready to go on Google Plus, all I have to do is type in that hashtag and it'll bring up everybody that posted that. So it takes me right to everything. I don't have to search people's stuff. So that's why I put in there. Use hashtag RG Live. This Randy Live.
I literally just got Google Plus when you did this giveaway, dude. That's why I said I didn't know much about it, because some of these programs I don't really know much about. You know what I'm saying? I'm busy, like probably 24/7 all the time, so I barely have time. You know, sometimes to be on my phone. But here lately, I've been making time for you guys. That way, you know, I show the love. You know what I'm saying? Like Randy's talking about. You know what I mean?
I know that feeling very well, man. Hangouts, I think it almost like, it's so much fun because you're gonna get to hang out with all kinds of cool people, even if it's not live, because I do all kinds of hangouts now where I'm not live, but you're talking with people that are doing the same thing that you want to do or know, and you're sharing information, and that's what I love about YouTube and hangouts and the community is the sharing and all that. It is wonderful. Learning too. It's like, because you can learn so much.
Yeah.
Hangouts is awesome. And I make time for these hangouts. Man, a lot of times I'm on my cell phone with my earbuds in. I'm walking around at jobs and doing work and just like, it's so awesome.
Hell yeah, I love Hangouts, man. Like, it's a good way to communicate with people, man.
Yeah, like we got MD73 in there. He's awesome. But Kootenai Cannabis, if you guys aren't subbed up to him, go check him out. I talk to him on Hangouts all the time. Guy's fucking awesome. I'm sorry if this is PG-13, but you know Coots.
It's PG-18. It's 18 plus.
Dude, sorry, I have a construction worker attitude. I'm having fun in life.
That's what it's supposed to be. I think as an adult, to be a successful adult, you're supposed to be happy doing what you're doing. You're supposed to be expressing yourself, living life, just learning from them, and have no wisdom from that. Guys, and trust me, I can't wait for the day where I am doing a live stream at my business and scraping off the ads and just streaming with you guys and like, you know how many hours what you guys doing, and I really am blessed to be a part of it. But it's basically when you're on Hangout or when you're on live or streaming, you get to meet so many different people. You get to learn. You get to, trust me, it's awesome. You can do this. Like, I have to draw back to it. I don't see search it. I'm gonna go full research mode, get my glasses out and be like, okay. Tell me something.
Yo, I think it's dab time.
Jamaican.
Dab time. I'm having a dab with you guys.
Dab it up, bro.
Yeah, another one. I know, I dabbed too much. Guilty.
I'm enjoying my high, so I'll embrace my high right now. I lost 24 hours before, never again.
And to answer Palm Side's a question about how much rosin do I smoke, like, I don't, like, it so depends, man. Like, Ben and And Sparks a lot and them can even say yes. Like I sometimes on like one live show, I could smoke 4 grams just in like a live show. It's not bad though. I love my rosin.
No, you love your tolerance. My God, man.
Oh, I'm smoking all the time, 24/7, all the time.
He smokes in his sleep, bro.
I don't sleep, yo. Boom. Yeah, like maybe 2 hours a day if I sleep. One day they'll catch up on me. This is a huge dab, huge. This is like ridiculously big. Yeah. Oof.
That's a big ass dab.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this for
Reminds me of
100 subs and everyone watching and all the thumbs up and everything and all the positive love. This is like it's probably a 1 gram dab. It's gonna hurt. I won't lie.
You can do it. You can do it all night long.
Wow, I'll have to ask the missus about that. This is gonna hurt.
I don't know if most people remember that movie. I think it was Waterboy.
You can do it. I'm gonna make it bigger actually, just because I'm crazy. Here, hold that for a sec. Why not? Why not make it crazy big?
I believe in you. It's gonna work.
This is gonna hurt.
I believe in you. It's gonna work.
I can't even get it off the thing. There we go. Oh, even more. I doubled it up. So I put more on top of it. It's like, now it's like super ginormous. Whew, this is gonna hurt. One more. Oh, I bet I can go again. I bet one more. Oh, this is a.
I believe in you.
I'm gonna try one more. Oh fuck. No more. No.
You're a legend. Legend. Bless up with our there.
Okay. Promise that hurt. I'm trying not to die. I'm gonna mute my mic while I like.
By the way, gotta bless up everybody. Thank you very much for the love. 36 thumbs up. 1 dislike, me. That fears me. 36 likes. Thank you everyone that has watched, tuned in, be a part of the show, be on the panel, and just showing love. Thank you everybody from Jamaica. Thank you very much. A lot more content will be out, and I just feel anything.
Oh yeah, that was the aftermath right there. Woo. I promise you, I'm sweating from my head to toe. Like, oh.
Couldn't do it. I know my limits. That's why.
Man, you missed it, buddy.
You got here right for the coffin.
Yeah, man. It was big.
How's it going? I got a quick second. I can hang with you guys, but then I got to go get my 4 o'clock stream ready to go.
Back.
Yeah, I think they're coming off soon, like in the next
40 minutes or so.
Yeah, coming off it's gonna be 5:30.
Ooh, that was wonderful.
But thank you for tuning in.
Oh, I know. That's all I had, Pom. I just did it for the love. That was totally way too much.
Yes, sir. We do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Do up MB73 from Australia. Much love.
Oh.
Thank you very much for that dab, cannabis love.
That looks good, man.
Yeah, it hurts. It hurts still, I promise. Ugh. I did crank it up, by the way. That bad boy was at 720 on a quartz banger. But yeah, I could have actually went for a 4th, but I don't know if I would have been able to like not projectile vomit on the camera. It would have been cool to watch. I don't know.
Oh.
Watch it in slow mo.
Yes, I'm gonna be tempted to do that. Be like, you know what? Clip it and like, whoa! I don't want the internet. Yeah, trust me, the internet is savage.
Yep. Yeah, I like making mistakes on the internet. It's fun. I sat on
to the comments and see those comments coming. I wonder if I'm gonna get any on my live stream video afterwards. So it doesn't faze me. All I'm doing is promoting love here all the way up in Jamaica. I said one more time for the people watching the greenage.
Oh yeah.
That's a mango tree over there. That is greenage. All of that is greenage. It goes way back, like acres upon acres back.
Outside here, it's fires are burning in northern Washington and in British Columbia and in Oregon. There's lots of smoke in the air. It's like really, really bad. It's like looks like it's cloudy outside, but there's no clouds, and literally like it's raining ashes outside. The cars are like covered with ash, and it's like floating around in the air. That's how much fires there are, and like it's crazy amount of it. You can see the smoke in the air, like right out in front of your face, like 10, 15 feet. It's like that thick of smoke, and there's like shit floating in the air, fucking ashes and shit. It's crazy. There's so much of it in the air.
That's messed up, yo.
Bunch of crazy fires.
Earth, for God's sakes. Why do we do that? Why do human beings I remember when an incident happened, I think a year back or two, dump where we store our garbage here, on fire. And Andrew, a whole parish, like in chaos. Two asthma attacks. Went outside and looked. I thought it was raining because of fog. But on the news, it was like, no. And the closer I got to like major cities in Kingston, we trying to go like 9 miles. So dense, I had to turn back. Like that, the place we call home. Hopefully, because I'm looking into health. So we're gonna have hemp buildings, hemp rope, hemp. So that even if it burns, it does not cause that much damage, for God's sakes.
So, how long are you gonna go, Randy? Do you know? Just gonna keep on going?
It's 6 more minutes to go.
Oh, you're gonna end at 3:30. Well, you're welcome to come over to my live stream that starts at 4 if you'd like.
Will do.
I will be able to make it today because I have not left the building. So,
I'll make it, man.
Cheers, everyone.
cheers. I
So
was down
this up to everybody that tuned in.
still feeling that last one.
Is your lungs okay, Cannabis Love?
Oh yeah, man.
Iron
Another
lungs.
one right now. I could. I just
Sound
oh,
like bro.
he's gonna have one. Oh, she brought me Wendy's too. Chili.
Yeah.
Yeah, Cannabis Love, you just inspired me to do something. I'm gonna make a patch. I do graphics as well, so I'm gonna make a patch for you. The iron lungs. And it's gonna be long made of iron, but the iron is not gonna be that silver iron. It's gonna be green, and do a cannabis leaf on it.
I did a really big.
Send it.
You know what I think would be funnier? Like, here's my idea for a logo or something. These are like the Keebler elves. How they're all super tiny and they have a chocolate factory and everything in there is like super huge. It's like that. He's like dressed up in a little tiny elf costume, kind of, and he's got this wizard staff or whatever that's got this huge glob of rosin that's like bigger than him. They're like a little tiny wizard with a huge giant glob of rosin that's like bigger than he is, because he's a small guy, you know.
That's pretty
That's
cool.
my idea. He's like trying to struggle to hold up the fucking rosin dabber because it's so big.
So, how long you been in?
One more time, Hollywood.
I said, how long has Randy been in graphic design?
Got to be going on 3 hours.
2.5 hours, isn't it?
2.5.
2.5.
No, I said graphic design.
Oh, gravel.
So,
You're lagging, Hollywood.
Yeah.
All right, am I access?
You're breaking up. It's your connection.
Take me to your liter.
These are not the drones you're
Oh yeah,
looking
you gotta
for.
clean that out. So I forgot to clean the email after I did that big one. Oh no, Mrs. Canvas Love. You should see how mad she is right now. Oops.
Let's go for Dub Mob. In a chat, just roll in. To everybody in that chat. Much love to you. Much love for being here. Thank you very much for making me reach 100 subs. I said more content will be out. And thank you very much for making me become a part of the community. Oh, by the way, when you were talking about that costume thing, you know, I feel like I'm gonna do something crazy. Get a Pikachu onesie and just up in boots with like combat boots, and walk around in my city, Mandeville. I'm in Manchester, Mandeville. For anyone that wants to know, I'll ever ask Mandeville, Manchester, Mandeville. It's basically central Jamaica. So just go walk around, and underneath it, I go have a shirt that says, "Come a little closer, baby. Let me Pikachu."
That's cool.
Yeah, let's go walk around with it. Is to have people question my logics, but at the end of the day, it will work out in my favor. I just gonna be like, guess what? You can catch me on YouTube along with my friends. Can I just love it? Be like, just promote myself. Even bad publicity is good publicity.
Look, there's a thumb blob. Imagine dabbing that.
That would be amazing.
No, don't.
Don't worry, I wouldn't dab it like that. Mrs. Candace Love,
That's
you want to take a
big,
dab
bro.
off of that?
I want to dab, but not off of there.
Why not? Just dab right off it. Come on, I know that a bunch of people in chat are going to be like, do it, Mrs. Candace. Do it.
Tell me you'll do it for like another 1,000,000 subs, bro.
Is that a suppository? Oh my God, imagine putting that up there. Whoa.
You got really high.
Gruesome.
You're not
Dude,
gonna.
that's weird. That's weird. I never thought about that before.
Injure anybody on my community just for stuffs. Trust me, because when you start coughing, my lungs will feel it. They'll be crawl up in my like to me. If you do that to me, we're done.
Oh shit. That was awesome. Mrs. Canvas left
Anyway,
us
guys,
out before we jet, so I'm getting it.
So anything before we get out?
Congrats on the 100, man. So I can't wait to do lives. It's gonna be fun. I'll be here, you know it. Mrs. Canvas Love, as long as she's not sleeping. Only because I'm up all night. That's why. All night.
Awesome. Then more likely. Hollywood, anything to say?
Hey guys, I'm gonna hop off here, Randy, and get my live stream going. Starts at 4 Pacific Standard Time. Anybody out there watching, you guys want to come on over, bring the party on over. We'll be chilling over there smoking. I'll drop the invite, the hangout invite in the Hangouts chat for everyone on the panel to come on over if you guys would like to. With that, I'm going to head on out of here and get that started. See you guys soon. Thanks for having me up here, Randy. Congratulations on getting all your subs up in your first live stream. Thank you for having me and having me be a part of it. Sorry I was in and out the whole thing, but yeah, let's chill a little bit more. Come on over and come check out my group and see who shows up and yeah, meet all my friends. Thanks for having me once again. Peace out, guys.
Hollywood, anything you want to say?
I want to congratulate you on that 100 subs, man. Mad love to you, Randy. I appreciate you having all of us on the panel, man. I'm sure Cannabis Love and Sparks a lot and Ben appreciate it just as much as I do. I hope to see more videos from you in the future, man, because you got some pretty bad content. And I look forward to working with you, man. I appreciate you. Much love, brother.
Bless up. This is the Sparks a lot. Well, go on. Is he there?
Like a ninja.
Let me enlarge his screen.
He's gonna sneak up on you when you least expect it. He's gonna be like, "Blah."
Kung Pao. Yo, just so you know, this was the second press. Maybe in case Kootenai's watching, 17 grams from the second press. So that's second press. 17 grams.
Nice. I think this is MI missing in action. So without further ado, thank you everyone for being a part of my first live stream. I said a lot more content, but thank you all for embracing me, showing so much love. It's been a journey, and I hope to ensure that you guys are involved. Positive energy always, and thanks for everyone for interacting. Thanks for everyone in the panel. Blessings from Jamaica. Without further ado, later.
Peace.